Simply me, Lisa G.
Today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Renpho Sleep Sound Machine. As you can see, it comes equipped with a headphone jack. Okay, it plugs directly into the wall. It's a white noise machine and it's very lightweight, but it packs a lot of powerful sounds. So, as you can see, it comes with a timer, as you can see right there, and it has a 30, 60, or 90-minute timer, as well as a extended play where it does not time out. These are the volume controls here, volume down, volume up, and it has a power button. You have a music sound, you have fan sound, and you have the white noise sound. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through all of these sounds so that you can hear. This is the current sound that I use. One thing you will like is that it will always default back to your last sound selection. This is the current sound that I enjoy. I'll go through the music sounds first. Takes us back to the sound that I enjoy. So as you can see, you have quite a selection there just under that musical note. Now moving on to the fan sounds, where you're going to hear a different set of fan noises, different levels and octaves. Takes us through all of the different levels of the fans. The next thing that I'm going to demonstrate for you is the white noise effect. kicks us off. One more thing I'd like to demonstrate for you, and I'm going to go back to my favorite sound for that, is the volume control. You can have this as low as you would like, or I can show you. This gets pretty loud. It's pretty powerful. That is as loud as it gets, and that sound will travel throughout and definitely keep any unwanted noises from disturbing your rest. So, information will be in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the Renpho sleep sound machine.